Hello everyone, we've received a number of questions regarding Limescale recently, so here is a short video explaining what it is. What is Limescale? Limescale is a build-up of hard water salts, such as calcium and other minerals found in water. This type of build-up is typically found in wet areas like showers and around pools. In shower environments, it is often mixed with soaps and body fats, creating what is known as soap scum. How do we remove limescale? Limescale is alkaline in nature, so in order to remove it, we need a selection of acidic agents. These agents will dissolve and sequester the hard water salts, releasing them off the surface without damaging the substrate. The Actichem Responsibly Green Shower Cleaner is a high-performance acidic formulation which breaks down limescale. The shower cleaner also kills bacteria and odour-causing germs, ensuring your surface stays cleaner for longer. For fast and effective limescale removal on porcelain and ceramic tiles, use the shower cleaner undiluted. For daily maintenance and limescale prevention, dilute the shower cleaner 1 to 10 and use it as a spray and wipe. Thank you.